Wo wutu traditional council 9 Premtobre e de ato awofo no wanim se bibia obenya bia no fawura wo manwomasua mu na ne ne dache sense de ye benya ne de ya ahode no anwomasua de wo ba mu obi antumenye ti yenhwe se ye de yendwetire be hye ye mafra anwomasua mu no dache nso akwanim
Afempinu ene aduonu baako mu enje kwame ankoma ahena wanya mfie dumienu ya wo free ekrokuma bi a ewo awutubreku ekọ World Spelling Bee ewo Dubai na wokoto so miensa abra wokọ nananom aso ye ekoche a wonom no na 9 apem da ako a woye chidomhene ewo awutubreku traditional council editu ja se adesua ene boa manipa ekonkan ne senti eho behia sa wofuo nyina ebema wonom ma adesua ehia wonom.
And the American said, "It's a lot. Almost who said, Apolaya, you could be here. Was a woman and here if you and they said, Apolabia, I was so much with Huma, a year one dear, open Diablo, who school house near here. I was set to see and so far because school ever mouth 0.5%. Now it gives you amount 50, another 50%, only 100.
Joseph Edu AMS ne krachi we wutu senya West wonu so ditu ja se kanea na awofo eja koko ene abefuo se japade ema wono ma no etwemu
sisi ama enka no nanka uja ekwa na esi uja odin na esi uja kuku ene abe ni kubi ene uja ekwa no uja odin ya no uja kuku ene nyansa enti no education dey e center visa esi ama se una no uja anje obi na je se modu abura ni se ene tinu ofrobia no afanye ni wo ma se we be sure se sa akunya na obinya so do school no befa ni serious na etimi abura.
Enje kwame ahen ene yamani boni etwetwe nkomo wa abra empanyimfo edi wonsem etu dwawiye.
Yes, so I want to tell all Ghanaians who are listening to me or watching me right now that the foundation has been launched. So right now we need support and collaboration with other local and international partners to help us support and promote this agenda. The competition was hosted in Dubai in the year 2021. So we started from the schools, we went to region then national before we were able to go to Dubai for the Intercontinental Spelling Bee Champion. It's had a lot of stages, the Spelling Bee, the one-word substitution and other things. And in all, I was able to do well. That's how I became a second runner.